Hi, everyone. Welcome to Star Sign Horoscopes. I'm your astrologer, Jamie Magee, and today we are going to be taking a look at the astrology for February 17th through the 23rd. I hope you're having a great week. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, so this week we are kicking off a very active Pisces season. March has a lot of moving energy in it. Now, this week, the sun will move into Pisces, highlighting a different part of your life. We also have a new moon in Pisces where we want to set intentions. Now, adding some fire to this mix, Venus will move into Aries, bringing fast, direct ambition to what your heart desires. And Mercury and Uranus will square, bringing motivated conversations and ideas about where to go from here. I'm sure you're eager to find out where this energy is revealing itself in your life, your sun sign, and your rising sign. So let's dive in.
This podcast episode is brought to you by Astrologer Connect, your premier source for quality astrology readings.
Okay, Pisces, let's take a look at your week. Now, Pisces, your top three focuses are going to be one, a new approach, two, health and wealth, and three, local vibes. Now, let's talk about why. Happy solar return month, Pisces. This week kicks off a new year for you, which makes it the perfect time to set new goals. Consider every corner of your life. Is there anything that you want to change about your health, your partners, or your home and work life balance? Your answer will clearly define what intentions to set now. As Venus moves out of your sign and into Aries, you will notice that you have the ability to attract wealth. Now, you also may have the desire to spend wealth. So try to find a balance between the two and be mindful of the real cost of each investment or purchase. Now, to add to this week, you may have a breakthrough or a shakeup in communication or routines. Make it a point to look for a new way to look at old issues. I do hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Aries. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Aries, your top three focuses are going to be one, ending to begin, two, a new look, and three, networking. Now, let's talk about why. As you move into this month, one key theme is going to be wrapping up loose ends and getting excited about what is coming next. Now, though you have a lot of behind the scenes energy simmering over the coming weeks, you will also have a strong public presence, thanks to Venus moving into your sign. You may notice that you are turning heads with little effort. Use this confidence boost to help you socialize and network. Now, communication in general could feel over the top at times this week, very busy, a lot of notifications. News or shifts in plans can be positive or negative depending on your perspective. However, if you keep your values and your end goal in mind, you will land on target and on time. I do hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Taurus. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Taurus, your top three focuses are going to be one, networking, two, mind and body, and three, health and wealth. Now, let's talk about why. As the sun moves into Pisces, your attention will shift to communication, networking, and connecting with those who carry your same ambition. This is a great time to set intentions around creative projects and those that you are really passionate about. Communicating, both one-to-one and in groups, is favored. If there's something challenging that you've been wanting to pitch or say, now is a great time to take action. Now, to add to this week, as your ruling planet Venus moves into Aries, you may find that you are able to attract beautiful endings so that you can begin again. Negotiating loans, redecorating your home, or simply making inner peace a priority are all supported with this energy. However, to make the most of this energy, you will have to consciously set and work toward the changes you want to see within and without. Make it a priority to bring beauty into your every moment. I do hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Gemini. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Gemini, your top three focuses are going to be one, your career, two, health and wealth, and three, networking. Now, let's talk about why. This month, we'll have a highlighted career or reputation theme for you. This is a great time to set intentions to balance your home and your work life, as well as what feeds your vitality and the partnerships and allies that support you. If there are any adjustments you like to make in these areas, now is the perfect time to plan and take action. As Venus moves into Aries, your ability to network and share what you're passionate about will elevate. Look for opportunities to make a solid first impression. Be open to inspiration from both old and new directions. You may find a spark of inspiration that seems to come from a source of wisdom that is really hard to define. Trust the happenstance and lean into the extraordinary. I do hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Cancer. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Cancer, your top three focuses are going to be one, new directions, two, communication, and three, career. Now, let's talk about why. This month, you may find that you are focused on both local vibes and expansive new ideas. In many ways, you're being asked to use your wisdom to explore new areas, but also to find a way to share your knowledge and beliefs locally with people who are always around you. Any goals that you have to publish, teach, or learn will be favored, so plant the seeds. As Venus moves into Aries, your career and health and wealth will have your heart's attention. You may find that it's easy to attract career opportunities or shift your personal brand. Use this confidence boost to move forward with goals that support really long-term health and wealth initiatives in your life. Though there may be a shift or an unexpected adjustment along the way, setting intentions and leaning into change will help you make the most of the upcoming weeks. I do hope you have a good one. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Leo. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Leo, your top three focuses are going to be one, transformation, two, shared resources, and three, new directions. Now, let's talk about why. Over the coming weeks, it may feel as if your energy is focused more inwardly than publicly. This is a great time to focus on the legacy that you are part of and how your personal values and resources are supported. Topics of shared wealth, transformation, and personal growth could all come up. Is there anything that you want to change about this area of your life? If so, setting goals to make these changes is supported. All of this internal and private work is helping to prepare you for the next chapter. A new direction or opportunity to learn or teach may surface as Venus moves into Aries. Venus will also inspire you to connect with what you are truly passionate about. Lean into what encourages you to grow. This will help you connect with what matters the most and clearly see what's ready to end so you can begin this new chapter. I do hope you have a good week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Virgo. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Virgo, your top three focuses are going to be one, partnerships, two, transitions, and three, new directions. Now, let's talk about why. This week's new moon gives you the perfect opportunity to set goals that impact every corner of your life. All month, the sun will bring a focus to your partnerships, your allies, and your daily routine. So, if there's anything that is normally challenging around these areas or topics, now would be a good time to tackle those issues. As Venus moves into Aries, you may notice that you are also focusing on shared resources and loans, or possibly deeply committing to someone or something. And in order to do this, you must end one way of approaching something and begin a new way. With so much possible change on the horizon, a best practice for you is to keep the big picture in mind, and you'll do great. I hope you have a good week. We'll see you next time. Hi, Libra. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Libra, your top three focuses are going to be one, health and wealth, two, partnerships, and three, creativity. Now, let's talk about why. As the sun moves into Pisces, you may find that you are focused on your daily routines and how your work impacts your health and wealth. This is a good time to set routines that support these areas of your life. The new moon will also support an overall balance of the mind and body. Double down on any intentions that give you both inward and outward balance. As your ruling planet Venus moves into Aries, your one-to-one partnerships will come into focus. You may notice that it's easier to attract new clients or to communicate with others. It's a positive time to create allies and support systems that balance your entire life. Now, to add to this week's energy, you may experience a creative rush that opens up new ways to merge your assets or lean into a transition that you have already been in the midst of for a while. I do hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Scorpio. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Scorpio, your top three focuses are going to be one, creativity, two, passion, three, health and wealth. Now, let's talk about why. Over the coming weeks, you may sense a strong creative focus. This energy can highlight lovers, children, creativity, and even an entrepreneurship. If there's anything that you are wanting to kickstart or embrace more of, now is a good time to set these intentions. Think about how you can bring this high vibe into your life and how you can share it with others. As Venus moves into Aries, your focus on your daily routines, your rituals, and your health and wealth will be led by your heart. You have the ability to attract new routines or opportunities that support the work you do and the value of it, and of course, your reputation. This is a powerful, fast moving energy. To make the most of both Venus and Jupiter in this area of your life, set clear intentions and take action. Focusing on the lack will bring more. Focusing on statements and goals that amplify new beginnings will open closed doors or even the invisible ones. I hope you have a good one. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Sagittarius. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Sagittarius, your top 3 focuses are going to be 1, your roots, 2, home and work life balance, and 3, creativity. Now, let's talk about why. Your focus is shifting to your home and work life balance. This is a great time to look at the foundations of your life. What is supporting you and what needs more support so that you can be present with your purpose? In order to have a healthy balance, your heart must be in what you do. Now, as Venus moves into Aries, you will feel the need to connect with what you are passionate about and your creative spark. Seek things that excite you and open your mind up to new possibilities. The sky is truly the limit. Staying flexible, open, and in tune with your heart will help you amplify all the possibilities that are beginning to emerge now. I do hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Capricorn. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Capricorn, your top 3 focuses are going to be 1, communication, 2, foundations, and 3, passions. Now, let's talk about why. You are entering a time where communication and local vibes will hold your attention. You have a natural, beautiful way with words that makes those around you feel connected. You also have the ability to share your wisdom with clarity and precision. Right now, perfecting these gifts or using them to support your goals and daily routines is favored. Walk with this question. What do you want to change or improve about how you learn, teach, or communicate with others? Now, also this week, as Venus moves into Aries, you may find that you have the desire to bring beauty into your surroundings, or that when you have beauty around you, that your inspiration and confidence soars. There is also a possibility for a breakthrough in how you earn or share something that you have created. Though this week's energy is behind the scenes and more personal, it's all leading to some really big transitions. I hope you have a good week. I look forward to seeing you next time. Hi, Aquarius. Let's take a look at your week. Now, Aquarius, your top 3 focuses are going to be 1, your values, 2, communication, and 3, your roots. Now, let's talk about why. This month, you may notice that your focus shifts to your values and your legacy. This is a great time to look at what's important to you and why. Topics of earning power, skill set, self-esteem, and actual resources are likely to come up. Any changes in these areas will be supported, but may take a little bit of work and confidence. Keep your end goal in mind and ask yourself, what are you trying to build or transform in your life? What must leave so you can make this happen? And on the other hand, what can you invite in to support this? As Venus moves into Aries, there's an amplified energy around how you communicate and your local environment. This should also help support needed shifts. Try to stay open to changes or breakthroughs that occur in these areas, but are also close to home. New beginnings are right around the corner. I do hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you next time. All right, that is all the signs. I do hope you found some helpful tips and insights about how to work with this very, very busy month that we are kicking off. Now, if you are looking for more tips and insights about how to work with 2023 and a lot of the transitions that are beginning to happen, you definitely want to pick up Astrology Hub's 2023 guidebook. This is a great guidebook that's going to help you with a lot of dates and ideas about how you can proactively work with the energy ahead when it comes to your career, your love life, your wellness, the routines, all the things. So to grab yours, all you need to do is go to astrologyhub.com/2023 book. Again, that is astrologyhub.com/2023 book. Have a great week. I'll see you next time.
Did you know there's a whole universe that you can unlock with so-called minor aspects? Most astrologers don't even use them, but Master Astrologer Rick Levine calls them harmonic aspects, saying they're key to revealing the deeper, metaphysical dimension of a birth chart, including the creative, mystical, and unseen parts of ourselves and others. And if you want a taste of how powerful they can be, just listen to what he has to say about some of the subtitles in play during his February and March forecast.
There's one other thing that happens in February By the 12th, Venus makes a septile. That's 1/7 of a circle to Pluto. Venus makes a septile to Uranus. Boom, boom. What are septiles? They're otherworldly. They're supernatural. Dane Rudger said they were fated. Things come out and things come through that were somehow in other realms. And like Uranus, it's like lightning striking. And I think the combination of Mercury going into Uranus's modern sign of Aquarius and all these septiles will awaken us to the idea that we don't see everything that we think we do. Of course, it's not lost on me that this is the first week of Foundations Level 3 course, and it's just such an overwhelming septile message that we get from the universe. I really think that this is going to be a bit of a wake up in mid-February.
If you're ready to uncover these powerful unseen aspects in your chart, join us for Astrology Foundations Level 3 with Master Astrologer Rick Levine at astrologyhub.com/foundations3.